Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up VoiceMeeter Banana with Zoom, Skype, or any other conferencing apps. If you want to mix multiple audio sources, control where your sound goes, and even record your sessions, this guide has you covered. VoiceMeeter Banana is a virtual audio mixer that allows you to connect several audio sources like your microphone, TV or external devices, headphones, and speakers. You can also route audio from your PC apps and VoIP apps like Zoom or Skype and record selected signals using a recording software. First, you need to set VoiceMeeter as your default playback and recording device. Download and install VoiceMeeter Banana, then reboot your computer. After installation, you'll see new virtual playback and recording devices in your system called VIO and aux. Open the Windows Sound Control panel. Select VB Audio VoiceMeeter VIO as your default playback device, and then set VoiceMeeter Output VIO as your default recording device. This ensures all system sounds pass through VoiceMeeter. For VoIP apps, set VoiceMeeter aux-IO as your default communication device. Next, let's set up your hardware. Connect your microphone to hardware input 1 and test it using the peak meter in VoiceMeeter. Connect external audio like a TV or sound card to hardware input 2, which allows you to listen to movies, music, or other audio through your setup. Assign your speakers to output A1 and headphones to output A2. This separation is essential to avoid feedback loops during calls while maintaining different volume levels or effects on each device. Now for software apps, all PC sounds should be routed to software input 1, VIO. VoIP apps like Skype or Zoom go to software input 2, aux. In your conferencing app, set VoiceMeeter aux output as the microphone and VoiceMeeter aux input as the speakers. This way, you control exactly which sounds are sent to your calls and where you hear them. Finally, route your inputs to buses and record if needed. Press A1 to listen to a channel on your speakers, A2 for headphones, and B1 to send a mix to your recording software. This setup lets you record your microphone, TV, PC sounds, and VoIP audio all together or separately depending on your configuration. You can use recording software like Audacity or Reaper to capture everything routed through VoiceMeeter. And that's it! With this setup, you can fully control multiple audio sources, mix them perfectly for calls, and record your sessions without any hassle. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.